Alright guys, we're at Plato's Closet. It's a resell shop where you can take your clothes in, resell them. They give you, a buck or two or something like that per shirt that you bring in. They resell them for $9-10. But everything in here is something that someone has originally purchased, has brought in. This company has evaluated it, decided to buy it again to resell it at a profit. So everything in here is their market research. They're searching on how they decide their criteria on what's going to sell again. So you can get an idea for what trends may still be out there for people on a budget, but it can give you some inspiration for what's happening in the future as well. Shelves of clothes. See graphic shirts here, cut off band shirt. Be copyrighted, you can't do that. You can just flip through. Every game, I'm hustling. So there's an idea, faded. It's a Nike. Might have to make sure that it's not trademarked. There's a Abraham Lincoln political party shirt. So elections are coming up. Hint, hint. This is a Splash baseball. Skilled in every position. You can target that to a lot of audiences. Look at the colors here. Lots of dark colors, lots of black colors. Pugs, not drugs. Get Star Wars. Camp Gedisic, leaving nothing but footprints. So outdoor camping style, leaving nothing but footprints. For the homies, cat shirt. Engineered to the exact specification of championship athletes. So you get the idea. You can go in through a store. Alright, so we just finished up in Plato's Closet. Gave you guys a quick rundown on what I do when I'm looking around, just to get ideas. I walked through a little bit more and just took pictures. That's just a quick rundown on doing some quick shirt research. So if you like this, share it. Send me a message. Follow my Facebook page. I don't have a YouTube or anything like that, so I'm just going to put this on my Facebook page. So if you guys like it, share it, and tell me what you think. Thanks.